So I have a new newsletter that I'm creating. It's gonna be called the Rainmaker Newsletter, where I'm gonna be sharing tips for local business owners, but also digital marketing agency owners that want to make it rain, that want to make more money with the internet, with SEO, particularly with digital marketing and local SEO. So today, that community and that newsletter it's being born as the Rainmaker community. So I invite you to stay tuned because very soon we're going to be creating a lot of resources and a newsletter for all of you guys to get all these tips, share ideas, and participate and get to know each other. So, Rainmakers, let's take a look at a case study, something new that I started implementing in my local SEO strategy that you're all going to love. And before I reveal what it is, I want to check the results. I'm going to go into a rank tracker on mapranking.com. If you guys still don't have access to the rank tracker, it's because you don't care, because pretty much it's free. I have been telling you in every single video, in every single podcast, we have the most amazing rank tracker. Get it, use it with your clients, use it to retain longer, use it to share progress with your clients. And again, it's you can get a free trial. I'm going to go ahead and log in and go into one of our clients. I'm going to go into SEO heat map and pull this client that's an HVAC company. Sorry, that's not the right one. This is where I go. Heating and cooling. And we're going to be looking at the keyword AC Repair Santa Monica. When we work with this company, we have been optimizing and we're ranking really well for HVAC contractor, heating contractor, and we were struggling with AC repair. Honestly, that is the one that took us the longer to position them. As of today, 13th of January, which I just ran this scan earlier today, this company is ranking number one throughout all of Santa Monica for AC repair in Santa Monica. Now, this wasn't always the case. Just if we look at the history, just on November, so a month ago, on the 10th of November, actually 2 months ago, this company was ranking average position almost seven. A lot of positions 4, 7, 9, 5, 6, 4, positions 12, 13, 11, 17, 14. So not even remotely as good. But let's go ahead and compare dates. And in a period of 2 months exactly, from November the 10th to January the 13th, there was a big jump, a big increase in rankings. Almost 88% of the market share of the city, they are ranking positions number one for AC repair. Let me plug in really quick. If you guys are in plumbing, HVAC, electricians, home services, we have the techniques. We know exactly what to do to rank you guys and position you in the top positions. But now the reason for this video is that the way we achieve this, because again, we were ranking really well for HVAC contractor, HVAC company, heating repair, heating contractor, and we were struggling, as you can see, just 2 months ago. AC repair was struggling. We weren't making a lot of progress, and in those 2 months, nothing with the reviews changed. The same amount of reviews. This company still has 95 reviews, so the same thing. The only thing that changed was different technical implementation that we did inside of the web. Three things really. So the technical implementation that we did with the schema, the structured data on the back end of the website, we went ahead and created a new structured data specifically for AC repair. That seems to have been making a big impact in this month and a half. The second thing, the CTR booster. We ramp up the signals that we're sending for AC repair for this company throughout the whole area of Santa Monica. We actually increased the radius a little bit. Guys, signals, engagement with the profile I'm seeing nowadays is one of the biggest things that move a profile to the top. As long as everything else is in order, all of your entities, your Google business profile is fully optimized, and your website is also fully optimized for all of the keywords that you're trying to rank on Google Maps. Third thing, we pair all of that then finally with a newsletter release for AC repair. And that was the cherry on top of the cake. All of that came together beautiful and moved our profile to be number one throughout 88% of the city. Let me go back to January because my January map looks so much beautiful. I love it when it's all green. I love it when it looks like that. So guys, if you still have issues with ranking, we are working now with many other agencies that are relying on us for helping them with positioning their clients as well. Our white label program is amazing. It's the most affordable one that you can get out there. And honestly, is the only one that I know of that you can get with a guarantee that's actually going to be ranking in 90 days, or we continue doing it for free, which so far hasn't happened just because we're experts. We're good at what we do. So, rainmakers, let's go out there, make some money. Let's make it rain. Don't miss the newsletter that we're going to be putting out every single week. I have been working very hard on it for the past week or so. So subscribe. Make sure that you're subscribed to our newsletter because you're gonna get a lot of tips, a lot of really, really good info. That particularly if you're one of those local business owners that really, really wants to make it rain, that's really making money off of SEO on the internet, or if you're an agency owner, this is for you. This is exactly what you needed in 2026.